Hey everybody, I'm back. I'm making sweet potato pie tonight. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving and that's one of our favorite desserts, so that's what I'm doing right now. I have already baked the sweet potatoes, and I'll let you take a look. And as you can see, they're already kind of caramelized. I don't know if you can see the kind of dark brown spots. That's caramelization. Sweet potatoes, of course, are naturally sweet. And when you bake them, let me get you up here a little bit better. There we go. When we bake them, they're even sweeter. So you have some really true sweet potatoes here. All right, so, which also means we don't need to add a whole lot more sugar. But we do have to add a little more sugar. It is a pie, of course. All right, so the first thing I like to do is to actually season my potatoes so that I know how sweet they're gonna be, and then I add the other stuff like eggs and all that fun stuff. I add that a little bit later. All right, so I want to season them up first, but I need to get the paddle for my KitchenAid. So hold on a second. Here it is. Hope you're having a great day. I hope you're almost done with your cooking. Come on, don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. It's being stubborn. There it is. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna break up these potatoes. It's gonna be a little loud. And there were 3 medium-sized potatoes, okay? I'm only making 2 pies, so I don't need a whole bunch. All right, that looks good. It's pretty broken up. To this, I'm going to add the sugar, all right? So this is 1.5 cups of sugar. And I'm gonna blend that. Okay, and now I wanna start seasoning with my cinnamon. About 1.5 teaspoons, I would think, sometimes more. So we'll start off with 1.5 teaspoons, and we'll see how that goes. And then I'll add the same amount of nutmeg. Gives it a nice kind of nutty flavor. I love nutmeg. All right. That. Okay, that's all I want to do right now because I just want to taste it to make sure it is the sweetness and the flavor that I want. I think a little bit more cinnamon. So that's probably a whole tablespoon of cinnamon. All right. Okay, alrighty, now I'm gonna add 3 eggs. Give that a mix. I'm gonna add 1 can of Carnation evaporated milk. Doesn't have to be Carnation, that's just my favorite. And I had already opened this, so okay, and now I'm gonna add, I have 1.5 sticks of butter, but I'm only gonna add half of this and see how it goes. I don't think I need all of it. So I'm just gonna pour half of the mixture that I have. to scrape down the sides. Make sure everything is incorporated. And I've made this so much, I very, very seldom measure. But I know the consistency that I like in me, okay? All right, and then I'm gonna stop it. And the main ingredient, lemon juice. Very fresh lemon juice. I just squeezed a whole lemon and took the seeds out, and I'm pouring the lemon juice in there. It's just, lemon and sweet potatoes go together. I don't know why, but they do. Just to reinforce that lemon flavor, I'm going to add pure lemon extract. Just a teaspoon though, not a whole lot. But I really want that lemon flavor with the sweet potatoes to be present. And of course, it wouldn't be open. All right, there we go. And the cap full is actually a teaspoon, so just using my cap as my measure. And I'm gonna cut it off. Wash my hands. And I did wash my hands before. Okay, I want you to take a look, because this is the consistency that we want. Isn't that beautiful? Such a beautiful color. All right, that's the consistency that I need and want. That looks perfect. All right, now I'm going to put this aside for a second, and I want to prep my pie shells. I'll be right back. I took the pie shells right out of the freezer. That's what I want. I want them to be frozen. And I'm going to separate them. Now, to have a nice crisp pie crust, this is what you need to do. I'm just taking a little bit of Crisco. I'll put it right on my paper towel, and I'm just giving it a rub. Okay, just rubbing all around, kind of lightly. Okay, again, just rubbing a little bit. You're not saturating it, you're just giving it a little rub. The Crisco against the very cold pie crust will make it very crispy. It makes for a wonderful crust. See? I'm not saturating it, I'm just kind of glazing over it. That's all. All right. Now, my paddle off. Spoon. I'm gonna give this a stir. Oh yeah. That's the consistency we want. That's it. Right there. Okay, so I'm gonna pour half in one. And pour half And the other, and wow, looks like I have enough for one more. So I'll get another pie shell out. All right. These are absolutely beautiful. They're gonna go in a 350-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes, okay? Kind of let my nose be the detector of whether or not it's done, but I'll be back, part 2.